Hey love, welcome to Lifestyle But Not. My name is Naya Lu and today I am on Koh Lipe. There are two ways to go to Koh Lipe. The first one is to fly to Hat Yai airport in Thailand and then grab a minivan here to Pak Bara Pier, where you catch a ferry to Koh Lipe, each an hour and a half. Or you can go from Langkawi in Malaysia, catch the ferry from Langkawi to Koh Lipe, which is another hour and a half.
Μου λέει δεν έχει μόνο γάλη, δηλαδή μου λέει ναι.
I am very surprised by how expensive everything on Koh Lipe is. So the taxi boat to cross us there to that island, Koh Adang, wants 12 euros. They ask for 12 euros and you can't say no if you want to go. So we will go, but I'm very disappointed at the prices on Koh Lipe. It's super expensive. Simple rice dish with like a tad of chicken and 2 leaves of vegetables is 5 euros. In the lower end restaurants, they are not even restaurants. So it's like completely off the charts in terms of prices. Behind me you can see the camping site. There is a fee per night per person and also a fee per tent per night. There are toilets, showers, a little canteen, and these trees that look nothing like any tropical tree I have ever seen. When you are in Koh Lipe, a thing you do apart from snorkeling and drinking beers is you come to Papaya Mom for food. They have a huge menu. It was intimidating. We managed to narrow down some dishes to try, and we're starting with the papaya salad. So we're very happy with the food. It's the best we've had. It's our third day on Koh Lipe and it's the best we've had yet. And a very big win is that I asked for a smoothie without sugar, without syrup, and I got it. Because every other time I say without sugar and then they bring me like a glass of sugar and I'm like, this has sugar. No, only syrup. So Papaya Mom is a good idea, everyone. So Lover wanted his boba and we came here. And we gave them our tumbler and said please put it in here, but they freaked out. They were like, no, we can't give you free water. they thought we wanted them to refill it with water. Then they were like, no, it's impossible, we can't make it this big, it's smaller. We said it's okay, you can make it the size you have to, the size you normally make it. So it was a very big commotion. So at the end he was like, okay, fuck it, no problem, just give me your plastic shit. At least he got his bamboo straw in. No two taxis can cross the street. Our taxi driver is helping this taxi driver maneuver around so we can go.
Friend go Langkawi.
Langkawi.
Yeah, great. Okay.
We are moving on from Koh Lipe to Langkawi. It's quite a process, so make sure to be here at the port at least 2 hours before your departure time, because you have to go through immigration. It's a whole thing. The sea taxi brought us here to this ferry that's gonna take us to Langkawi. So that was it from Koh Lipe. We are now on the ferry to Langkawi. You will find the link to my older Langkawi video from 2020 in the description below. I will not be making a new one because I don't have any more memory card space. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found it useful. Share it with your friends. Until next time, bye bye.